Oh, I'm Seji Garland. My teeth, I'm just kidding. They're perfectly straight.
Oh god.
Whoa! Boy suplado. That's me.
Boy pick up.
And pick up, yeah. Remember, Alan, if you're watching this, it's because it's because we care.
Yeah, Alan. If you're watching this, it's because we love you, bro. Homo intended.
Intended greatly, and I know you love us the same way.
Yeah, like we love you heterosexually. Wait, no, homosexual. No.
Nah.
It's just gay. But
bromance.
It's really something gay.
Yeah.
But it's okay.
Now I have a reason to tag Ryan Higa on here. More views, baby. Whoa! Pop. Oh yeah, and Jacob, if you're watching this, yeah, you are.
You're black and awesome.
Yeah, editing our videos, you know, yeah.
You're black and awesome like with pubic hair.
Wow. Nice. Eric, if you're watching this,
you're just there.
Yeah, and I hope you enjoyed the beach.
The bitch.
Yeah. Oh!
Hey, look, boobies.
Oh yeah, and Denny, if you're watching this, you have
something to say? Bromance!
Yeah, bromance! Who else should we shout out to? I have no idea.
Vivi!
Yeah, Vivi! Congrats again!
Yeah, like... Yeah.
Yeah. My arms are dying. Literally.
Since it's summer, like, more hangout, less study. Or,
yeah, please. We got this. You know, YOLO, yeah.
I mean, like, your future's already perfect. Stop trying to be a really good perfectionist.
Yeah.
And Victor!
Yeah, Victor,
good luck.
Yeah, keep rocking. We got you next year.
No, we don't.
For all we got, yeah. Oh, this song's corny, but okay.
Corny.
Stupid trees, move!
Oh my gosh, a bee.
Oh, that's not a bee. Bees don't come out at night.
Oh.
They sleep. Unlike you, I'm just kidding.
Like me, I sleep sometimes.
You don't sleep no more, man.
I used to, okay?
Okay, I gotcha.
Hey look, dude, this is me. We should touch it.
Oh yeah, I should. Oh, and Kevin, if you're watching this, Nerd Life.
Oh, Kevin.
Kevin the win, yeah.
I was gonna say, who's Kevin? Like, what?
I know. And Vincent, if you're watching this, stop dying in LOL.
Yeah! Every time we play with you, I lose.
Wow, what's up with that?
Well, only like once.
Yeah, once.
Oh, we played twice.
Yeah, I played none, but I know about it.
Oh shoot.
Creeper mode.
Okay, so who else?
Who else? Oh yeah, to our Facebook group that we always chat in that box. Hopefully you guys are watching too.
I chat to a lot of Facebook groups.
Oh.
Oh my gosh, no more batteries.
Oh dude, that sucks. It's alright, I got yours. Right here, the rest. That one kid, aka Opposite, YouTube, subscribe to him. Yeah! Happy birthday, America! Woo! Yeah.
Oh, the one that started in all of us.
Yeah.
We dodged. Okay. Kajiana.
Yeah, Kaji, hope you had fun in Anime Expo.
We don't really care, but yeah.
Yeah, that I care a lot because I should have been there.
Alanis,
Oh yeah. I don't know what to say.
you should
Well-
go to sleep.
Yeah, go to sleep more often. My goodness. My arms, they're dying. Who else?
Something about America.
Something Wong.
America.
Oh yeah, shout out to Keith and Raul. You guys are awesome too.
Shout out to Jensu.
And him, the MC props, right? Yeah, that one guy.
Jensu, you're awesome.
Yeah.
Justmin.
Oh yeah, Pride, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Keep rocking that.
That like
Swag.
yeah, your swag something.
Oh, and Kyle Hensley.
Cal Hensley.
Yeah.
Keep shuffling.
Keep shuffling and had fun in the Philippines. Good.
Cal Hensley's friend.
Yeah, Kyle Hensley's friends, the Shuffler group. You too.
Sharon and Mina.
Oh yeah, Mina and Sharon. Me, how?
Jelena and Angelo.
Julian and Angelo. Hope you are enjoying Seattle.
Julian and
Jillian
JD.
and JD. You too. Lee Kyle. Hope you have a successful channel.
Yes, AJ and Ira.
AJ and Ira. Yes, you guys too. Hope you have fun in Orange County.
Hi, Mom!
Hi, Mom! Seji's brothers! Seji loves you, don't forget that!
No comment. Lie.
Every lie hides a little truth.
Like what?
Like you love your brothers! I'm kidding. I love my sisters, even though they talk about One Direction a lot. Yeah. Shout out to my cousins in San Diego. Hope you guys enjoyed July 4th. To Yuri, Jonas, Anthony, Auntie Carmen, anyone else?
Why are we like shouting out again?
Because we need to have reason to tag people. Yeah.
Shout out to Emerito.
Oh, shout out to Emerito. Hopefully you're not grounded anymore.
Dennis brother.
Denny's brother, Kenny, yeah.
Zane.
Zane, yeah.
Sean Lang.
Sean Lang, Shane, Skylar, Melissa, you know, you people. Oh, Skylar, I know him, don't worry. He's from my period class.
Melissa.
I already said her. But yeah, Melissa again.
Oh my god.
Oh my gosh, those people are running. Oh yeah, to Ryan Diggs and Angad. Why you guys ditch us? Huh?
Where are you?
Where are you right now? Whatever.
Wherever you are. Whatever you do.
Shout out to Auntie Gretel, Earl, and Robert. You guys are awesome. Oh yeah, D Pride. Hopefully, I don't think you'll watch this, but yeah. Oi. Wow!
The sky is falling.
Yeah, looks like it.
North Korea.
Woo!
Viva de Mexico!
What? Oh yeah, and to Max and Juan, I forgot about you guys. But yeah.
Should we?
Ryan, should we? Nah. Psh, not him. Like, oh my gosh. TVHS! Chaparral and wherever. East Lake. More than.
There's like something flying in the air.
Yeah, I know, me too. I see that, like, bug. I don't know.
No, not that one. It's like up there in the sky.
Oh, that's just some plane, I bet.
Go sideways.
Nah, it's too far away. I wonder if they look down and see the fireworks. That'd be weird. Oh my gosh, I can't even display all of that. It's so big.
That is a really nice thing though.
I know.
It's going so fast.
I agree.
Is it a plane?
Yeah, it's a plane.
How do you know?
Because they're the only things that fly that high.
UFOs.
UFOs. Only in the Philippines, bro. Oh! Dang! It's too bright. I can't capture all of it. Oh my god! Wow! Fireworks apocalypse! Yeah! Woo! Yeah! Beautiful!
Hey, look.
Dude! Are you okay? Dude, that was epic.
Is it still there? The guy's smoking this.
I don't know. Yeah! Please quickly turn on the lights. I want to show myself before the end of this vid. Whoa! Let's not forget that. Oh look, now I can somewhat see you. Yeah. So yeah, that was a fireworks display. Thanks for watching. Even if you get to this part, I don't know. Am I too dark for you guys to see?
It's awesome, yo.
Yeah. So, it's quietly awesome.
Oh, we forgot to shout out to Zach.
Oh yeah, Zach Matthews, right? Yeah.
You're the last person.
So yeah, dude. Hopefully you had a good move. I can't believe you didn't tell us it was your last day. Ugh, but it's alright. We forgive you somewhat.
You're so green.
I'm brightening up, aren't I? How about you now? Yeah.
Who am I gonna shout out to?
You're green.
Shout out to my friends in LA, in the Philippines. My pubic hair.
Awesome. Always shout out to that.
Yeah.
And shout out
and
to
the guy smoking weed in there.
Oh yeah, inside. That was funny.
We saw you.
For we know where you live, I think. I don't know. But anyways, comment, rate, subscribe. And sorry you couldn't see all of it. Those trees were in the way. But
Yep.
that's somewhat displayed. Yep. Out!